Welcome to SKM Sudoku. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 28, 2022. Easy Sudoku. Column H, column J, we have pair numbers 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and sixth row, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row and sixth grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, column C, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Second row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second row, fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Fourth row and seventh row and eighth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column G and second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, we have 8. Column C also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, only one number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Seventh row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Eighth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column G, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th row, only one number remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 9th grade, we will already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column D, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column C, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. First grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 3rd row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 3rd row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.